Your December will be like song number 12 on IG Music, Instagram Chain Story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Alien John YTT. And from my page you have to go to new stickers at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So go to new stickers, and here you have to tap until you find the desired one, and you will also find many other viral stickers, like this one for example, or this one, and many others, as you can see. So there we have it. Your December will be like song number 12 on IG Music. So let's do that. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story, I will show you from where you can get a tutorial which will help you solve your problem. So from here you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo. I will go with this one. You can place your sticker where you want, and after that you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen and go to music, and you have to count to 12. So I will go with this one, and from here you have to click on the done icon from the right top corner and place your song where you want. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, now let me show you, if you are not able to click on the others button, what can you do? Go to super viral on my page at highlights, and here you will find the first story, which is not able to click on others button. Then you can click on this YouTube link right here, which will help you solve your problem. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.